Alright, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a toy you liked in your childhood.
Well, I had many toys in my childhood, but here I would like to talk about an electric toy car, which I had in my childhood, and I like it very much. It was it was in blue color. It was in blue color, and I was gifted. It was gifted by my father on my 12th birthday. On my 12th birthday. It has battery. It works on battery, which is fixed on a box fixed on board under the car. When it's switch on, it moves here and there in all directions. It changes direction whenever any things come in front of it, which I like it very much. If it is a good thing, whenever I'm not controlling it, it didn't hit any obstacle that comes in front of it. And I like to show it to my friend with pride, because no one of my friend had such a good toy which I had.
Alright, overall it's good, just connect your ideas and somewhere you're using present tense also. Try to focus past, like it has, it should be it had. It worked on battery, not it works on battery. It worked on battery. Because your topic is describe a toy you liked. Total past tense, okay? Now, let's go on. Why do children like to play with toys?
Children like I think children like to play with toys because they had nothing else, or they have only toys which they can feel very comfortable and like to play with them. So to answer your question, children like to play with
Would
them.
you like to buy toys at this age?
Yes, of course, I would like to buy toys, because I'm also
दिल तो बच्चा है ये. My heart is a baby. Or a baby in my heart.
there is a baby in my heart.
Really? Alright,
Not
we've
that
recorded
one.
it.
Not that
I'll
one.
show it to your father. You have a baby in your heart.
Not that one that you are thinking.
Huh?
No, that's one that you are thinking.
Really? I'm thinking about small baby.
No, no.
No? With a big baby? That will become baby one day?
No, no.
No? Alright. Okay, that's fine. Only tenses and otherwise it's fine.
Okay.
And by the way, nice shirt.
Thank you.
Good job.